Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share how I cleaned my brother's ScanNCut sticky mat. First, scrape off any excess paper from your previous project, or like what I'm doing here, you can use any scraping tool that you have or the spatula that came with your machine. Just scrape it from top to the bottom to ensure that no residue will stick on your wet wipes when you start wiping it. Next, grab a wet wipe. I'm using one that already has soapy ingredients, but if you don't have those, you can try using a damp cloth with a little dish soap. I've seen other crafters recommended that, though I haven't tried it myself. I'm just running the wipe over the mat, and as you can see, I'm going back to remove the tiny bits of paper that loosen up after wiping. Then I give it one final wipe. Don't forget to let it air dry completely before you put the plastic cover back on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.